Now in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert the RAR files to zip, right? So, as you can see in my Files app, I have this one file which is called, I have a couple of zip extension files and also the RAR. And when I open up the RAR, there isn't really anything that shows up as the phone seemingly doesn't support it. So the file we have right here, I'm going to rename it to something distinct like the example file, right? And if I want to convert it to zip format, I have more options technically, but I'm going to show you what I would do. So I would just get this app from the App Store, which is called iRAR File Opener, right? So you can get this app, and once you have it installed, return to the files, locate the example file, click on share, and from the apps, pick the newly downloaded one, right? So just click on this, make sure it opens up like that. You can see that we are inside of the new app. So let me just locate, and here we have the example file moved over. When you tap on this, this gives you the ability to open it or unzip it. So right now you can see inside what's going on inside of the folders. And you have the ability to click on the little information icon right next to the newly open example file, right? So again, you can see we have something inside. And another ad popped up. So at least you can see what it really is and how it works in real life. So just close the ad, tap on the information icon. And right now I can turn this file into a zip. So I'm going to click on this. You can see this is the name. I can password protect it, but I'm gonna just turn it into a zip. So I at first opened up the RAR, then zipped it to the zip format, and then I'm gonna click on, you can move it within the app, but if we want to get it outside of the app, we need to click on send/open in, and then save to files. Right, so I can just save it to my Files app, and essentially when I come back there, you can see that we made a full circle and turned the example file from the RAR extension to the zip extension. And zip can be opened even through the Files app, so it's very useful. But another backup method is to use the web-based method, because obviously there are these type of converters where you can literally just upload your files like that and have them be converted online to the zip file or whatever else, right? So that is another option, but I prefer to do it locally. So let me know below if it worked, subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.